Good evening, everyone. So today we have a special gift from one of our fans in Tarlac City. So we will going to unbox this gift. It's a fragile thing, I think, from Tarlac City. To our secret fan, thank you very much. So let's try this one. Mhm. Okay. Thank you for the gift. Whoever you are, you're the best. And for other unboxing videos, you can check my channel. Okay. I think this is some kind of a bottle, perhaps, because it is marked fragile. As fragile as your love life. Alright. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that's why I love bubble wraps. They're very therapeutic when you try to burst them. Try some. Okay. So you can guess what is this? Okay. Oh. We have this one. And then okay, and another one. Okay. So to our donor in Tarlac, thank you very much. Okay, we have 3 boxes and a pouch. Alright. Okay, let's try. Okay. So let's make this quick. 3 boxes and a pouch. So we'll open first the pouch. See what's inside. It's a coffee. Brewer's Box Coffee Shop. Hazelnut. Okay. Check that out. Perfect. So I think this is a 1 kilo ground hazelnut coffee. Okay. And for our surprise, okay, we'll just put it in here because it's free ad. And what do we have here? Okay. Okay. Let's try to, oh my god, I think I hit something and it's not. Okay, I think we have to be very careful. We have to be very careful. Okay, another bubble wrap. Oh, it's a French press coffee maker, I think. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. So thank you, whoever you are. You're the best. Mm-hmm. Yep. And our coffee. Okay, let's try to open the other one. This is glass. So we think we should be very careful about it. Oh, another one. Okay. Be careful. Okay, another French press, and it's perfect with a wooden cup and glass. Oh, this is perfect. Wow, look at that. And for our last box, okay, we have two French press coffee maker, coffee French press, or whatever you call it. And for our last one, oh, we have the free, I think this free press, which has additional, yes, oh wow. So since I already have my hot mama coffee maker, I'll be giving away this, one of this, to my lucky subscribers. So just comment in my video and I'll be sending this one of this coffee maker.